Hi, I'm Edward Sharpe, and this is my second year at PyCon. I'm here with Osirium, and we're hiring developers. So Osirium helps companies with privileged access management. A typical problem that companies have is having usernames, passwords and keys scattered around their organization, and they don't know who has access to what, their firewalls, their servers, their databases. But with Osirium, you put all those credentials in one place, and then you know you can manage who has access to what and when. Osirium is delivered as a virtual appliance, and it's running mostly Python in the back end. So we've got credential injection proxies, we've got a task engine that can use those privileged accounts to perform operations on devices. And we're here looking for developers. I really like being at PyCon because it's a diverse atmosphere. You've got everything from newcomers to veteran programmers, you've got children, you've got adults, and amongst them some people are looking for jobs, other people are interested in hearing about the product. Some people just like the lights. It's also a really collaborative environment. So when we came here for the first time last year, we'd brought our laser cut logo, and then the people over at Anvil said, we can make you an app to control that. So we built the Anvil app last year, and then this year I wanted to continue the theme. So we brought our Tiki head Jim along, and usually he's in our office and he's telling us the build status. He's hooked into our CI system, so you've got red and green eyes. But this year he's here and he's hooked into the Anvil app, so when we finally press the app here, we get rainbow colors everywhere and the rainbow colored snort. So if you'd like to find out more about Osirium, you can come to our website, have a look at osirium.com. If you're interested in a developer role, contact me, ed.sharpe@osirium.com, and hopefully we'll see you at PyCon next year.